Remember that time you tried ordering a beer in a foreign country, and it was harder than explaining blockchain to your grandma? The financial world has its own language barrier, and that's where ISO 20022 struts in. This snazzy acronym stands for International Organization for Standardization 20022, which is about as exciting as it sounds. But hold on to your hats, folks, because this standard is a big deal. ISO 20022 is like the Esperanto of finance, aiming to create a universal language for financial messages. It's replacing the ancient SWIFT system, which is about as outdated as a fax machine in a TikTok world. This new standard promises smoother, faster, and more secure transactions, which has got the financial world buzzing like a Bitcoin miner on Red Bull. Why should we care? Well, imagine a world where sending money abroad is as easy as ordering a pizza. That's the dream ISO 20022 is selling. And it's got everyone from big banks to fintech startups scrambling to get on board. But like any good party, there are rules. And in the world of ISO 20022, compliance is key. Cryptocurrencies, those digital darlings of the financial revolution, are no exception. Not all cryptocurrencies are created equal, especially when it comes to playing by the rules. Some have embraced the ISO 20022 standard with the enthusiasm of a golden retriever at a tennis ball factory, while others are still dragging their feet. So who are these compliant crypto pioneers? Let's meet the all-stars: XRP, Stellar, XLM, Quant, QNT, Hedera, HBAR, IOTA, MIOTA, XDC Network, XDC, Algorand, Algo, Cardano, ADA, and Verge, XVG. These digital trailblazers have ticked all the right boxes, making them the teacher's pets of the crypto world. These ISO 20022 compliant coins are like the VIPs of the financial system, enjoying the benefits of smooth integration and enhanced credibility. They're the cool kids everyone wants to sit with at the lunch table. But what exactly are these benefits, you ask? Buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to dive into the wonderful world of compliance perks. Being ISO 20022 compliant is like having a golden ticket to the financial Willy Wonka factory. It opens doors to faster, cheaper, and more secure transactions, making these cryptocurrencies attractive to both businesses and individuals. Imagine transferring money across borders without the hassle of SWIFT fees and delays. That's the power of compliance, baby. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows in compliance land. Some argue that adhering to a centralized standard goes against the very ethos of decentralization that cryptocurrencies were built on. It's like asking a cat to walk on a leash, possible, but not without some resistance. Furthermore, not all cryptocurrencies have the technical capabilities to meet the ISO 20022 requirements. It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. It's just not going to happen without some serious modifications. And what about Bitcoin, the granddaddy of crypto? Well, the OG cryptocurrency is still on the sidelines of the ISO 20022 party, watching the compliant coins boogie on the dance floor. Bitcoin's decentralized nature, while a strength in many ways, makes it a bit of a square when it comes to fitting into the standardized world of traditional finance. Some argue that Bitcoin doesn't need ISO 20022. It's like saying the Rolling Stones don't need a new album, they're already legends. But others believe that embracing the standard could open up a whole new world of possibilities for Bitcoin, making it more accessible to institutional investors and mainstream users. Only time will tell how this regulatory tango will play out. But one thing's for sure, the ISO 20022 standard is shaking things up in the crypto world, and the future looks as unpredictable as ever.